Yeah! All right.
How we doing?
Doing all right.
What are we doing?
Skydiving.
Why?
Because birthday,
yeah.
and we've never done it before.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
All right, that makes
But
two
like
of
in
us.
a
Good.
way, though.
Woo!
Not a good way.
So we'll be scared together,
Sick.
and you're just gonna take Mike, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna go. We're gonna get really hot. Come down really fast. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Woohoo! Let's do this thing, guys. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, it was great.
So next time I'm on your back?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, what was your favorite part?
Probably like right after jumping.
Just right after we left
Right
the plane.
after jumping. Yeah.
Yeah. Would you do it again?
Yeah, I would do it again. I would do it like not 3,000 times like you, but you know.
I mean, don't limit yourself.
Maybe like 4 or 5 more jumps, right? But in different countries.
Let's do it. Heck yeah. That is